Union Tourism and Culture Minister Prahlad Singh Patel opens the third state-level Shiroi Lily Festival 2019. And Puya Mai Thakibagi Apunba Ningshingluk Pumanil Kanglei Park observed Puwarigi Amamba Numit and Lamyanba Shanglen today. Kurumjari, good evening. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rathumari with you. Our top stories this evening. Union Tourism and Culture Minister Prahlad Singh Patel inaugurated the third state-level Shiroi Lily Festival 2019 today. Speaking at the event, Union Minister Prahlad Singh Patel urged all the stakeholders to join efforts in promoting the tourism sector and not to leave the responsibility to the government alone. He maintained that apprehension among people of mainland India about visiting the northeast states will be taken away once they witness the scenic beauty of the northeast states, including Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren expressed happiness that he has fulfilled his promise to celebrate Shiroi Lily Festival at the state level. He also assured that an amicable solution will be brought to the recent misunderstanding that arose between two prominent communities of the state at the earliest. A monolith symbolizing unity is strength was unveiled, and a souvenir on centenary celebration of Ukhrul subdivision was also released on the occasion. Earlier in the day, District Administration Ukhrul held centenary celebration of Ukhrul subdivision at Ukhrul subdivision office mini secretariat. Revenue Minister Karamsham hosted the national flag to mark the celebration. He also inaugurated a record room and initiated computerization of records at the mini secretariat. Retired bureaucrats who once served in Ukhrul district were felicitated, and a photo exhibition was held highlighting the works undertaken by the subdivision on the occasion. Revenue Commissioner Gyan Prakash, IAS, member of National Commission for Women, Sozo Saiza, officials of various departments and dignitaries attended the event. Puya Mai Thakibagi Apunba Ningshingluk Pumanil Kanglei Park observed Puwarigi Amamba Numit at Lamyanba Shanglen in Palace Compound today. People recalled the burning of puyas, the ancient scriptures of the Meitei race on this day some 287 years ago by Hindu preacher Santidas Gosai during the time of King Pamheba. Speaking on the occasion, Kerau MLA Laurembam Rameshwar lamented that the sacred Meitei puyas, which contain norms, mores and ancient wisdoms which are relevant to all the communities of Manipur, were destroyed. He claimed that the incident has robbed the generation of ancient wisdoms and hindered unity among communities in the state. MLA Rameshwar stressed the need to include the valuable contents of the remaining puyas in school syllabus and to rework the puyas instead of mere recollection of the dark day in the history of Manipur. Chairman of Puya Mai Thakibagi Apunba Ningshingluk Pumanil Kanglei Park, Sanjit Saraisam, and leaders of various prominent associations like Kangla Mai, KIL, CLK, and Manipur Pandit Loisheng attended the event.
Papa Poctaka, Imungisana Kanglon, Adimaroina, Hosiki, Tongan, Lena Akamalak, just a quick manama single language, Mama, Puyara Tambiramba, Imsaron, Simaton, Tana Kanglon, the singer Tonga, Marie Mamja, School, Angang Celebasta, Happy Abba, Adumai, Tojan Yaduga, like them be of Sasinazo, Puyas, the King, who has to be a Tesiskumaka, which he upon was the Assistant Biriba, Onaja Kambun, Ewakumba, Pibitron, the Pantuk and Function Bantu, Puyazda, Iramayam, Tabu on top by School Celebasta, Adimanama Singa, Kudaman Manipur, Purimanama Sukudimaxia, Mapanya Topa. Research was in a heck thing with him, Diamond Gatan, Green Diamond, like that. When I see Manapsing Yolakanda, he ducks on Gapoja, ceremony and a quick dopa, Kangam, the Quim Tanare, and Harry Bossing as we are the Tampiramang than ever. I think the Kudamina, a queen of Ramasna, Pitsvika, Tolkan, ever so mine, my Manipugiso, Maitagi, Puyazida, Irame, Nasika, Dobayama, Tobe, hosting me, Migi Maram Danikande, invited me home when he came to Mamja, Yaragadi, school Celebasta, Tara, Aduga, I even at about Orelo and Halamazing, Tamam Singazia, Itona Week and Nozimazo, Sindio.
A public hearing was held on the government's proposal to set up a new Manipur police headquarters at 9 Chingmei-rom Nongpok in Imphal East today. Landowners of the area have strongly condemned the decision and urged the government to withdraw the decision at the earliest. State Social Impact Assessment Unit and Directorate of Environment jointly organized a public hearing at ADC Quarter Complex Hall in Sangakpam. 16 families living on 10-acre land area, the proposed site for the headquarters, strongly objected to this decision. A protester named Thomas to criticize the government for initiating policies which affect people of the hills who are currently residing in the valley, despite its claim of strengthening the ties between hills and valley inhabitants. He stated that a non-profit society called St. Anthony Educational Society and a school run by the society called St. Anthony School with all its around 2,000 students will be affected with the clearance of the 10 acres of land.
Inside the herd, their policy is different, and verbally, when they speak in the public, is different. Because we have seen that they are talking about the Manipur integrity, Manipur unity, but inside their policy, they're trying to chase out the tribal people here. I understand. And they want to build up the bridge between the hill and valley, but they don't want the hill people to cross in the valley. What is this?
Welfare Association for the Blind Manipur held World White Cane Safety Day observance at the Seminar Hall of Home for the Blind in Pakyar today. Principal of Government Idle Blind School, T. Rameshwar, President of Welfare Association for the Blind Manipur, Y. Brajamohol, Advisor of the Association, Kangujam Ibomcha, and many eminent persons attended the event. Visually impaired persons excellent in various fields were felicitated with gifts on the occasion. Speaking at the event, General Secretary of Welfare Association for the Blind Manipur, K. Sadananda, asserted that the white cane is an assistive device for visually impaired persons and urged public to help visually impaired persons. Attendees also carried out a rally using white cane from the home till Tera Khamnam Bazaar.
तसेंगनमक अखोइना अखोइगी मणिपुर की अखोइगी मरोइना अखोइगी जनरल पब्लिक ता अखोइना नोलुकना अखोइना हाइजनिंग बसी मरोइना अखोइगी बाजार नत्रगना लंबीदा अखोइना पाइजरिबा सुगुम्बा अंगौबा चई असि पाइबा मियोय अमा उबिरबदी महाक असि ब्लाइंड नि नत्रगना विजुअली इम्पेयर्ड नि हाइबसे मयामना यामना लाइना खंगबिगनी अदुगा अखोइना सोरोक नचिंगबा क्रॉस तोबर नत्रगा अखोइगी गिचतपा मतमदसु मयामना मदुगी फजना कोऑपरेशन पिबिरगा गाड़ी थौबिरिबा साइकिल थौबिरिबा सिंगनसु खरा खरा येंगबिरगा साइगी मयामदा खितंग मदुगी अखोइदा प्रेफरेंस न चिंगबा पिबिरगा अतोपा लमदा अखोइना पिरिबा सुमाइना अखोइदासु खितंग अखोइगी फ्री मूवमेंट दा अखोइगी मोबिलिटी दा खरदा ओइरसु मतेंग ओइनबगीदमक्ता मयामनासु हाइरिबा चई असि पाइरगदी ब्लाइंड हाइबसे मयामना खंगबिनबसु नोलुकना हंगचरी.
One-day training program on early identification and intervention for children with disabilities was held at Moirang INA Hall in Bishnupur district today. National Institute for the Empowerment of Persons with Intellectual Disabilities, Department of Empowerment of Personnel with Disabilities, MSJNE, Government of India and State Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities, Government of Manipur jointly organized a program. Assistant Professor of Pediatrics, NIEPID, Sikandarabad, Dr. G. Mary Anurupa, Lecturer of Occupational Therapy, NIEPID, Hyderabad, Mukesh Tulasi Kathan, and Special Educationists of NIEPID, Regional Center, Navi, Mumbai, Ravi Prakash stressed on various topics related to early identification and intervention for children with disabilities at the program. People's Action for National Democratic Movement Pandam in a press release has appealed not to rectify the history of Manipur by converting Kuki rebellion into Anglo-Kuki War 1917 to 1919. Pandam condemned the claim of ancestral land by one community in a land inhabited by various communities as a ploy to create communal tension. The press release further urged those villages where the monolith with ancestral land inscription have been installed to remove them and further appeal to various communities residing in the state to love each other. RIMS Medical Superintendent MS.CH Arun Kumar has assured to take barefooted action against the hospital staff who was seen in a Facebook viral video chasing away some individuals who came to take report at the hospital. Speaking to Impact News today, MS Arun Kumar said that the hospital authorities have identified the staff and have already apprised RIMS director to take necessary actions at the earliest. Stressing on the need to carry out inquiries upon RIMS staff, CH Arun Kumar appealed to all the staffs under RIMS MS to prevent such incident in the near future.
Anaba singasi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯏꯆꯥ ꯏꯆꯟ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ with sympathy with empathy utmost care ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯈꯨꯝꯁꯦ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯒꯗꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯇ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯅꯥꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯅꯥꯕ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯗꯤ ꯔꯤꯝꯁꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯔꯤꯝꯁ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯝ ꯐꯝꯃꯝꯃꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯟꯗꯦꯟꯁꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯈꯪꯉꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯂꯧꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗꯣ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯁꯅꯨ it has to be a prompt and exemplary action ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯔꯒꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ.
Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West has summoned 9 police personnel involved in a fake encounter case in the court on November 4th after the CBI and SIT have filed charge sheet against them. It may be recalled that Imphal West Commando, Imphal East Commando and 18 Sikh Regiment shot that 1 Thangjam Thoi Thoi at Narol Khongjin Chandranadi Inter-Village Road under Wangoi Police Station in Imphal West on January 12, 2012. The individuals summoned by the court are Zamandar Laitongjam Vivekananda, Sub-Inspector L. Lenin, Head Constable Ronra Matai Singh Simbre, Head Constable Moirangthem Kiran, Zamandar Arabam Sundar, Rifleman Nongthombam Verjamani, Head Constables Aribam Captain and Thokchom Amarjit, and Constable Huidrom Indra Kumar. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on 15-day marketing test program for Kauna Craft today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. 15-day marketing test program for Kauna Craft kicked off at GM Hall today. Central Cottage Industries Corporation of India Limited organized the event, sponsored by the Ministry of Textile as a part of the recent 5-month integrated design and technical development project in Kauna Craft. Speaking at the event, Chairperson of Manipur State Minorities Commission, Mohammad Anwar Hussain, stressed the need to refurbish and promote native handicraft items, but he strongly disapproved conversion of indigenous Eon handloom products into power loom products solely for income generation. He maintained that the socio-economic position of around 2 lakh women weavers will be hugely affected if handloom is ever replaced by power loom. He urged authorities concerned to form a policy to preserve the traditional handicraftsmanships.
lamdam amagi resource economy da resource angle ananaba thirakpa matamda khwaidagi mayam pau singna hainaba lamdam du da well creation lantum lamdu da lehanaba honaba haibani lantum lehanba aise leinung dagi sana thau lokthokpa du khatanate akhoi de ipai puna thambiramiba potsing se matam gi change toreba atopa lamna pamiba taste pamiba makhal mawong dugi matungina akhoi na khara change toraga akhoi gi ipai na thambiramba skill mayam do sinaraga aikoina pothok puthokpa dusu lamdam dugi aikogi lamdam sigi well creation amani maduna aikogi economy da afaba ma soidno irakani.
Manipur Electricity Employees Union MEEU in a press release appealed to authority concerned to release a salary of all the government employees, especially those working at Manipur State Power Company Limited, that is MSPCL, and Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, that is MSPDCL, before the Ningol Chakoba Festival. Federation of Government College Teachers Association of Manipur has resolved to resume a ceased work strike and demand for implementation of 7th UGC pay scale and regulation 2018 from November 5th. Members of the Federation resolved the same during a special general body meeting held today. All Manipur College Teachers Association, in a separate press release, has also demanded the government to implement 7 UGC pay scale and regulation 2018 at the earliest. Environment Club of YK College Wangjing organized World Food Day observance in the college today. College Principal Soibam Giri, Food Technologies M. Tonjao and Head of Economics Department YK College Dr. Waikom Kumar attended the event. Speaking at the event, Dr. Susma Furailatvam spoke on food and its wastage, while Food Technologies Yamba Laimayum stressed on today's food and lifestyle. YK College Principal Soibam Giri also delivered a speech on the importance of consuming good foods and demerits of consuming bad foods. Thoubal District Police held a blood donation awareness camp on gifts of blood to our society in connection with 128 Manipur Police raising today. Thoubal District Police, under the supervision of Thoubal SP Dr. S. Ebomcha, along with Association of Voluntary Blood Donors Thoubal District Branch, Popular Youth Front of Khangabok and RIMS Department of Transfusion Medicine, organized the event at Thoubal SP Complex. District Police Thoubal Additional SP Elo Thingnam Desorjit, Deputy SP Operation A. Kalendro, and around 50 personnel of Thoubal Police donated blood at the camp. Public Health Engineering Department in a press release informed that supply of water in areas under Porompa jurisdiction will be halted for some time due to extremely low level of the Iril River water level. The press release further urged the authority concerned to look into the matter. Hockey player Arjun Awadi Kangujam Chinglensana launched Maruti Suzuki Company's most awaited espresso at Eastern Motors Maruti Suzuki Arena in Chingmerom today. Speaking to media, Senior Relation Manager of Maruti Suzuki Arena, P. Vivek, said that the newly launched vehicle comes in 6 designs with price ranging from 3,69,000 rupees to 4,90,000 rupees. He mentioned that one can purchase the vehicle on loan at Eastern Motors Maruti Suzuki outlets across the state.
अखोई ngasi launch of jaiva gari si Maruti khwaidi latest all new Maruti Espresso ni se akhoi SUV inspired vehicle ni akhoi hariba gari si da 10 plus safety features me ama leiri akhoi customer singna hariba akhoi Maruti Espresso gi booking se akhoi Eastern Motor Singmairong da leiba showroom election biaktuna amadi akhoi outlet sing leiriba Churachandpur Bishnupur Thoubal Kakching amadi Senapati da lakpiraga booking tawba yabi khudong chab su thamjari.
The Supreme Court today concluded hearing in Ram Jaman movie Babri Masjid land dispute and reserved its judgment. A 5-judge constitution bench headed by Chief Justice of India Ranjan Gogoi heard the case for 40 days and concluded the arguments today. The bench granted 3 days to contesting parties to file written notes on molding of relief or narrowing down the issues on which the court is required to adjudicate. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah officially launched National Sub-Junior and Cadet Judo Championship 2019 at Kumal Lampak Indoor Stadium in Imphal today. Manipur Judo Association organized the event under the aegis of Judo Federation of India. Around 1,200 judo players from 28 states including Jammu and Kashmir are participating in the championship. Many boys and girls judo players from various states took part in the inaugural event. Traditional music, dances and thangta performances highlighted the main event. Manipur Badminton Association kicked off 64th Mini and Sub-Junior State Open Badminton Championship at the Badminton Indoor Stadium in DM College campus today. Altogether, 97 players from various districts of the state are participating in the championship. In the first under-13 boys single match today, Saikom Gung stressed K. Dayananda by 21-15, while T.H. Hurt dropped Prithingamba NG 21-17, 21-18, and K. Yaifaba Angom defeated Lenin by 21-13, 14-21, and 21-16. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Union Tourism and Culture Minister Prahlad Singh Patel opens the third state-level Shiroi Lily Festival 2019. And Puya Mai Thakibagi Apunba Ningshinglu Pumanil Kanglaipak observes Puwarigi Amamba Numit at Lamyan Bashanglen today.